Looking for the best juicers for celery for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 juicers for celery that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a juicers for celery that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended juicers for celery. Number 1 on the list is the Original Healthy Juicer. We start our list with the only manual juicer for celery and our editor's choice, the Original Healthy Juicer Lexan GP27. Unlike many other juicers for celery on the market, this one doesn't come with a motor, so it won't need to be plugged in or connected to any power sources. It doesn't have any switches or wiring, so there's much less chance of any of the parts breaking down, ideal for those who want to get the best value for their money. It's also one of the most affordable juicers for celery on the market today, available at a very attractive price. The Original Healthy Juicer Lexan GP27 works perfectly with celery, wheatgrass, kale, spinach, parsley, lettuce, chard, and many other leafy greens too, grinding through big bunches with absolute ease, and it can also tackle fruits and veggies too, but isn't quite as well equipped for those. It's made from top quality materials, including BPA-free components, and comes with a sizable 500 to 600 milliliters reservoir too. Second on the list is Tribus GSE5050 Greenstar Elite. If you're looking for a juicer for celery that comes equipped with some of the best tech on the market and a range of useful functions to enhance your juicing experiences, the Tribest GSE5050 is a great choice. Coming in a relatively sleek and portable design, this model features a sure-grip handle for simple transportation, an automatic pulp ejector that lets you carry on juicing for extended sessions and offers easier cleanup too, and the ability to juice the vast majority of fruits, veggies, and even the potential to grind some nuts and grains too. Overall, the Tribest GSE5050 is one of the most versatile juicers for celery on the market, with its twin jumbo gears and bio-ceramic magnetic technology ready and waiting to juice or grind through almost anything. It's pretty easy to clean too with just mild soap and water, and it comes with one of the longest warranties of any model around, offering 12 whole years of protection. Number 3 on the list is Omega MM900 HDS Slow Juicer. Another of the best juicers for celery you may like to consider is the Omega MM900 HDS. Coming from one of the most experienced and trusted brands in the business, this model features industry-leading features and design, beginning with a highly impressive 15-year warranty to ensure that if any issues ever arise with your juicer, the company will take care of it on your behalf. The Omega MM900 HDS also makes use of a slow-speed, cold press method to extract the maximum amount of nutrients from every single stick of celery, producing high-quality, super healthy juice that can become an integral part of your daily diet. The dual-stage masticating extraction of this model helps to ensure that each drop of juice is filled to the brim with the maximum amount of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, and the juicer also comes with an adjustable celery end cap to maximize juice output and extraction, with 3 variable pressure settings too. It also comes equipped with a 950 milliliters tank, making it a good match for families. Number 4 on the list is Aobosi Slow Masticating Juicer. Last but not least, we come to the Aobosi AMR520, and if you're looking for one of the safest juicers for celery money can buy right now, this is a great choice. With its attractive red design and food-grade components, it blends in well with contemporary kitchens and is so safe to use for the whole family, making it a great gift for special occasions. The small mouth opening on this model prevents any injuries or accidents to hands and fingers. And the whole model is super easy to disassemble and keep clean too. Thanks to its smart design, the Aobosi AMR520 is even safer for younger users to try out, with adult supervision, and it's one of the quieter models on the market too, operating at less than 60 dB, so you won't have to worry about waking people up if you use it early in the morning or late at night. Number 5 on the list is AMSCHEV Slow Masticating Juicer. Next up on our list of the best juicers for celery, we have the AMZCHEV ZM1501, which stands out as the best value juicer you can buy right now. Using a slow, masticating method, this professional-grade juicer is able to extract all the beneficial nutrients and minerals from celery stalks without leaving anything behind except the pulp. It also comes with a surprisingly quiet motor and a reverse function, giving you a lot of options to play around with. And makes use of a 7-spiral system to get the highest amount of juice out of every single ingredient. It's also worth pointing out that the AMZCHEV ZM1501 has the added benefit of coming with a lifetime warranty, so if ever anything breaks down, you'll be able to get a full replacement or refund, as desired. It's made from high-quality, BPA-free materials too, and comes with some smart safety features and an easy disassemble function for simple cleaning. Just now is a list of 5 best juicers for celery that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.